Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful, responsive e-commerce template in Angular 18 plus, fully responsive and totally free. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So guys, here we go. So guys see the beautiful e-commerce template in the top section, the logo, the search button. I will click on it and see the beautiful advanced search game and the user icon, wishes icon, and the add to cart button. Click, you can see the mini cart, beautiful, and the toggle navigation. See friends, Salmon works well as well. All the things closed and now the top section, the custom text and the casual. Beautiful section, see friends, the products, just brilliant. Beautiful offer section, all the things works well. The beautiful services section as well. And now guys, I will show you its responsiveness. So guys, like I said, the camera is responsive, so you can see that the toggle nav, just brilliant. It will work for all the devices, just brilliant. So guys, have you seen? It's work like charm. Friends, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, theristu.com. Here is the contact and enterprise page. Here you will get my email ID, my Skype, and my WhatsApp number. Feel free to contact me anytime. And guys, I am full-time freelancer, and if you will have any kind of work, then feel free to ping me anytime. I am fully available 24 into 7 as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.